it's excellent experience.
Okay.
I enjoyed the whole time, like whatever I was doing, it was so good. Yeah.
So good. Okay. Nice. Nice.
The craving has gone down a little bit. So like I don't snack in between. I just eat, very mindful of the eating. I've always wanted to incorporate yoga. It's lack of time and, lack of motivation, and just, it didn't happen. And due to this COVID, I mean, this is the greatest thing it can happen to anyone, right? I mean, you can just sit down and do your, wherever you are, you don't need equipments, you don't need, you just need a mat and sit down, and you can do your pranayams, you can do your, stretching exercise. Like there's nothing greater than this, I think.
I guess I found how important the yoga and the meditation and the breathing is. Especially the meditation and the breathing on the outside of it, it really improves. They all kind of mash together and improve each other. It's something that I'll keep with me, I think, my whole life. This past few days, I felt really, really good. I came out of a flare just before I came to the course, and I feel completely fine now. No pain. My mind feels good, feels calm. Yeah, I'm very thankful.
Good, enjoying.
Why don't we have one nice picture so that we can? How about we can make something like a heart, sign of the heart, and who is then going to take the picture? Yeah.
I'll take the picture. Hang on. Okay. Ready, set,
Go.